Envision having authority over your finances. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? A budget can make this vision a reality. It extends beyond saving, it's about gaining insight into your financial situation. A budget serves as a financial roadmap. It enables you to monitor both income and expenditures. With a budget in place, you can track where your money is allocated each month. Let's explore why budgeting is crucial. To begin, budgeting assists in prioritizing spending. It differentiates between needs and wants. Without a budget, you may find yourself making impulsive purchases. A budget keeps your financial objectives clear. Moreover, budgeting curbs overspending. You will have clear limits for each expense category. This awareness can help you steer clear of debt. Think of it as a guide for your spending habits. Developing a budget is straightforward. Start by listing your sources of income. This should include your salary, side jobs, and any passive income streams. Next, catalog your expenses over a month. Account for fixed costs like rent and variable costs like food. Next, categorize these expenses. Common categories include housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Set financial limits for each category, aligned with your income. Evaluate your budget every month. Make adjustments based on overspending or any changes in income. This keeps your budget aligned with your current life situation. For instance, if your monthly income is $3,000, your budget might allocate $1,000 for rent, $300 for groceries, and $200 for entertainment. This structure allows you to enjoy life while adhering to your spending limits. In conclusion, a budget empowers you to manage your finances. It aids you in prioritizing expenses and avoiding debt. Crafting and reviewing a budget is vital for your financial well-being. Ready to take charge of your finances? Begin budgeting today. You can find budgeting templates online or explore various budgeting apps. Take that initial step toward achieving financial tranquility. Your future self will appreciate it.